Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again with a brand new video. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can see the private account, or how you can open any private account available on Instagram. So for example, let me search a private account. So this is a private account. As you can see, there is no message option available, and clearly it's written that this account is private. Here you can see this account is private. Follow this account to see their post, photos and videos, right? So there is no way Instagram do not allow you to open the account, this account, or see any post or videos until or unless this account will not follow you. So if you will go to YouTube, you will see a lot of videos available on YouTube, and they are showing you how you can see the private account photos and videos. But believe me guys, all these videos are fake. There is no way to open. They only show you this. Let me show you what they are showing. So they will only show you to copy the link by clicking here. So you can copy and go to any browser and paste that link, and then only you can see the account. But believe me, you cannot see the account. You can only see the profile picture or download the profile picture. That's it. Besides this, you cannot see anyone's private account. If you can see the private account, that will be hacking, right? And Instagram is not an application which can be hacked. So this is not possible. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please do not waste your time by searching about this how to see the private account. There is no way, believe me. Have a great day.